Hello, my name is Abhay Mohan and I am the representative of Idea Usher. In this video, we will see how our restaurant table booking app, developed by our team for our esteemed client, works. So what exactly is a restaurant table booking app? Overall, restaurant booking apps streamline the reservation process, enhance the dining experience for customers, and provide valuable tools for restaurants to manage bookings, understand their customers better, and grow their business. The global market for restaurant booking apps was expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of several percent, potentially reaching billions of dollars over the next few years. So without further ado, let's get started. Upon first downloading the app, the user will be taken to this splash screen. After clicking past it, they'll be asked to get started or sign in if they have an existing account. Let's choose Get Started. The user can fill in their details, their name, their email address, their password, and they can then sign up. Or they can also sign up using their Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Hit Sign Up. Then the user will be taken to the home screen. Here they can see their picture, their location, their name, and the most important question of where they want to eat. They can find out by using the search function. There are a number of filters that the user can select from. They can filter based on tag, rating, price range, type of food or cuisine, and any other utilities that the restaurant may offer. Once the user has decided on a restaurant from the search, select it, and they'll be taken to the info page, where the user can see a brief description about the restaurant itself, its opening hours, its contact information, and its address. They can also choose to view a map to show directions from their address to the restaurant itself. In the menu page, the user can see a detailed menu of all the items that the restaurant has to offer. They can see the names of the items and their individual prices. The user can choose to add items to their reservation. Once the user is satisfied with their selection, they can choose to either make a delivery of all the items that they've selected, or they can choose to make a reservation. They'll be taken to the reservation page, where they can see the date of the reservation, the time, the number of chairs they may want for their table, and a service charge. Once they're satisfied with their selections, click on Booking. They'll be taken to the booking list, where they can see a summary of all the things they've selected. They can also see their own details, their name, country code, phone number, and they can also choose to avail any vouchers that they may have over here. They can see a detailed summary of the price. Finally, when the user is satisfied with everything, they can hit Pay Now. They'll be taken to the payment method page, where they can choose a suitable payment method. Once they're satisfied, they can hit Pay Now. Finally, they can view the booking that they've made in the order list page. Here they can see their booking ID, the name of the restaurant and its location, ratings, distance to the restaurant itself, and the date and time of the booking. If they wish to view the map once again, they can click here. In the saved page, the user can see all the restaurants they've chosen to save or favorite for easy and quick access. In the profile page, the user can view their profile details. They can also choose to edit their profile details. They can choose to change their notification settings. They can change their address or add new ones. They can change their password in the security settings, choose between different languages in the language settings, swap between light and dark mode, view the terms and conditions here, and if they have any questions about the app itself, they can go to the help section. And finally, when they are done with the app, the user can log out. And there you have it, folks. Now you have a complete understanding of how our restaurant table reservation app works. We hope you found this video useful and enjoyable. If you have any questions or want your own app solution designed by us, feel free to get in touch. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.